Hey guys, today is April 8th, it is Friday and it's currently about 3 p.m. I know my makeup is looking pretty intense. I just decided to do something different today because I do pretty much the same makeup every single day, or if I do an eyeshadow look, it's always just brown. So I wanted to try and tackle red eyeshadow. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Anyway, today I'm going to do show. I'm going to take him there, that way we can leave at whatever time he wants to leave and probably go eat afterwards. I'm not exactly sure exactly what city the show is in, but it is in LA, so it is going to be a bit of a drive and we have to go pick up his mic before. But yeah, I figured I would just take you guys along today with us because I haven't filmed one of his shows yet. I don't think. Filmed his practice a couple vlogs ago, or quite a few vlogs ago back in August, but you guys will be able to see his actual show today, so that'll be exciting. So I will talk to you guys again very soon. I'm gonna go get him as soon as I can. I don't have a car right now, but I'm waiting on one for my mom to get home. And yeah, I will talk to you guys again soon. We are in McDonald's, even though we said we wouldn't eat McDonald's anymore.
Should I get?
I don't know, you pick. Yum. Yum.
Strawberry Coke.
I just wanna sleep, but I don't wanna start. You got me fucking drunk, but get on, get, you're not the fucking down. What the fuck is sleep? I can't remember, pill after pill after pill. I can't remember. What the fuck is sleep? 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 I can't remember, pill after pill after pill. I can't remember. What the fuck is sleep? What the fuck is sleep? So good, tearing me apart. I just wanna sleep, but I can't even start. Lie to my face, that's all I got. Nothing ever changed, just the way you act. Lie to my face, that's all I got. Nothing ever changed, just the way you. No more, life will get no more. Negotiation to the dark time, to the dark place. Get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away. I wanna hear all you motherfuckers chant it. If I don't know you, and you don't know me, you are my enemy! Lie to my face, something on my back. Nothing ever changed, just the way you act. Lie to my face, that's on my back. Nothing ever changed, just the way you. No more, life will get no more. Negotiation to the dark side, to the dark place. Get the fuck out of my face. Yes! Go! I got another body and spirit. The other day her name was Jesus. I brought her, everyone cried, everyone cried, everyone cried. Cry, lots of men cried, lots of men cried, lots of men cried. Yes, I got philosophy, yes, I got philosophy, and the philosophy side. Rock and terror, riding in agriculture, rock the goddamn blade. Rock and terror, terror in agriculture, rock the goddamn blade. Philosophy, crime, philosophy, crime, philosophy, crime. Yes, I got philosophy, yes, I got philosophy, and the philosophy side. Die! 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 Fly naked, you're not red. Let the Messiah go through your soul. Fly naked on the forest. Let the Messiah go through your soul. Die! Like a motherfucker! Die! Like a motherfucker! Die! Like a motherfucker! Like a motherfucker! I wanna fuck my way to the garden, 'cause everyone needs a mother again! Run, run! The following of the Christ, 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 following of Christ.
We are at Carney's, about to eat some food, my first time. Driving here was a fucking nightmare, but I did it. So here's my food. Got a sandwich, chili cheese fries,
Chili dog.
chili douche.
Only in California.
Really?
It's the only place.
I'ma eat now. Hello, vlog. So we just finished eating. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I rated it a 4.5 out of 5.
He's picky.
So we're heading home now.
Go down Sunset Boulevard.
So this might be the last time we vlog tonight. Since you're never in the end of them, I always have to do it by myself. So you say goodbye this time.
Yay. Kidding. Goodbye, everybody.
Louder.
Goodbye, everybody. Oh, it's right there. Hi. Goodbye.
You're okay, you fail. If you like this video, please give it a like, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.
Hello.
Bye.